Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about H-1B visa application fraud, which is being done by the US employers. So USCIS has already expressed their concern over the sharp rise in the number of employers who are submitting multiple H-1B visa applications for single entrants. And as we are aware that there are only 85,000 seats are available for H-1B visa, and out of which 20,000 seats are reserved for master's candidate, and from the remaining 65,000 seats, there are also 6,800 seats are reserved for Singapore and Chile citizens. So if we will look at the multiple entries submitted by the US employers is really concerning. And USCIS has already expressed their concern, and they have made a statement that if we look at the numbers in between fiscal year 2023 and 2024, the number has rise significantly, and that number is currently stands at 147% of multiple entries in H-1B visa pool. So this is really concerning, and USCIS has already made it clear in the statement that if they will find out any employer is trying to exploit the system, or if they find out that any multiple entries being submitted by the employers for a single entrant, they will application. They have the authority and the power to revoke and cancel the submission which is done by the employer for a single entrant. So you have to ensure that you are not submitting your application multiple times for the sake of getting or being selected on H-1B visa pool, because this will be really concerning. You have to ensure that you are not linked with any such employer who are submitting multiple entries on your behalf, because as it comes under fraud, and USCIS has clearly mentioned that they will take stringent action against those who are trying to exploit the system. Here, looking at the numbers which was published by the USCIS is really imperative for us to have the clear idea about what is happening on H-1B visa pool and about the multiple entries. So look at this below table. This is for 4 years, which starts from the fiscal year 2021 to 2024. So look at the total registrations. Here I will talk about the 2020-24. So look at the total registrations which were made in 2024. It is 780,884, out of which eligible registrations were 758,994. And look at this number, eligible registrations with eligible registrations for beneficiaries with no other eligible registrations, which means that these are the eligible candidates who have submitted their application only once in the system. And now look at the number, it's 350,103, which means that these are the single these are the single applicants registrations which was made by their employer in the H-1B visa pool. And look at this fifth column, and this is the concerning area where USCIS has expressed their concern over the sharp rise of the fraudulent activities which is being done by the employer. So look at the number what they guys are doing. It's 408,891, which means that these are the registrations which was made multiple times by the US employers. And to curb all these and to curb or to mit and to curb or mitigate this from going forth, USCIS has already cleared in their statement that they are going to ban these employers, and they are going to take stringent action against those employers who are trying to exploit the system. And look at the selection part. Out of eligible entries of 350,103 in the fiscal year of 2024, there were 188,400 selections made on out of the registrations. And look at the numbers, and look at the selection numbers. It's 188,400 entrants were selected in the fiscal year of 2024. So this is the table. So guys, this is a table which you have to go through with, so that you can have a clear idea about what is happening on H-1B visa pool. And you have to ensure that you are submitting your application only once. Do not connect with those employers who are trying to exploit the system. Because what is happening in the US nowadays is there are some agents or agencies who are trying to connect with the candidates who are on H-1B visa, and they don't entertain them and don't talk to them, because they guys are really manipulating the USCIS system, and it will not be helpful for your career in the US. So this is this is what I would like to say, and I will always recommend you to get in touch with some certified lawyers and immigration attorneys who can help you with your H-1B visa applications, because this is something your career depends on, and you don't want to lose your H-1B visa status. So here I would like to tell you that always make sure that you're connecting with the right immigration attorney or lawyer who can guide you through the H-1B visa path. Don't connect with these agencies who are trying to, exploit the system or play with your career. So that's all in this video. I hope this video will help you with your H-1B visa journey. But still, if you have any question or concern, you can comment down below and we will surely reply. Thanks for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.